we're trying a new filming space. All I can say is that I super hope that the camera focus stays on me. Otherwise, the entire unboxing and first impressions will be ruined. So, fingers crossed. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I'm actually super excited for this unboxing. It is literally 7:59 in the morning. It's been a minute since I filmed a video this early in the day before my eyes look awake, but this package arrived yesterday and I actually really wanted to do it then, but I wasn't able to. So here it is. Dun, 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 with this little fragile sticker on the top. This package is from 1617. Before we hop in, none of this is sponsored. I paid for everything with my own money. Let's go ahead and open her up. A little ASMR for you. This box is heavy. Okay, so right away, let's see. This came with, and again, I purchased everything with my own money. I've got like a little postcard. I painted my nails for the first time since the baby was born to go to a wedding, and they look like garbage, sorry. Nice little thing. And it says that they have a Sunday spotlight sale, which actually I noticed for the first, I don't know if this is new, but last week was the first time that I did notice it. On Sunday there was a type of candle vessel that was 15% off, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's nice. Came with a little packing slip, and everything is packaged in peanut. Now we're going to start digging things out. First things first, we have CDN size 6 candle wicks, and I feel like I told you guys before in other videos, I am working on developing my candles, so I don't have any that are like currently for sale, but I'm very much so in my testing phase. So here's what this looks like. Oh my god, don't look at my nails, they're tragic. Okay, and I got this, yeah, maybe I should have gotten 2 different wick sizes, I'm not sure. Yeah, just more wicks. They're all the same, they're all CDN size 6. Okay, so we've got all of our they say be yourself, or people will know that you're not being yourself. Hopefully you guys know that this is just me. Okay, so we've got all of our wigs. That's exciting. Then I'm trying to dig around in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's another box. Fragile on the top. I will say these are packaged pretty nicely. Pretty nicely indeed. This is the first of 3 sets of vessels that I ordered. For Pride Month, they were offering a set of 6 of their rainbow glasses. I'll link to them down below. I'm pretty sure they were called rainbow glass. I'm pretty sure. You could get them in a set of 6 different colors, and otherwise you would have to purchase them like separately, like all blues in a set of 6, or you know, by color in a set of 6. So this was really nice, especially for someone like me who's getting started but not entirely sure where I'm going with it. I liked the variety. All right, here's the first one. Ooh. Let's just cover my face there. Wow, look at that. That's really nice. And that's gonna look very good in a fall, like with fall fragrance in it. Next up, we have this color here. And they had like cool names, I just don't have them on hand. This is really, really pretty. This one's definitely giving me like fun, like candy vibes. That's really pretty. Ooh, very nice. Nice. Red, that's really pretty too. I could just see like candy apple in this or something, like a warm apple pie, you know what I mean? Like that one, got lots of ideas for. Yellow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I'm actually really glad to have them in person because I kind of thought that the colored portion wouldn't be transparent and you'd be able to, like I knew you'd be able to see through it a little bit. I knew it wasn't like a solid, but they're far more transparent than I thought they were gonna be, which for my purposes is a good thing. Ooh, this pretty blue, look at that. Okay, as you can hear, the baby's crying, so I'll be back. Okay, so we're back. So those were the 6 vessels that came in the Pride Month rainbow pack. And then I've got one more color. They do offer 7 colors, but one of them was not in that rainbow pack. So let me see where that is. Here. Same box. Now this one is the rose color. Did I say that right? Oh, look at that. So this one is like a very subtle. Where's the, if we just compare the color really quick. Oh, I'm such a child. Okay. So this one is the, I'm pretty sure it was called magenta, and this is the rose color. Again, they're just very subtle. I like this. Very nice. And what else we got? What else we got? Oh, the peanuts are spilling everywhere. Okay. This is another rainbow pack. And another rainbow pack. I hope they decide to leave the rainbow packs all the time because I really like that. And okay, there we go. I got these lids for the candles. I wasn't so much a fan of the silver or the gold with the rainbow. Didn't really give it like the vibe I was looking for. So these are clear plastic ones and they fit just fine. Yeah, I think this would be perfect. All right, excellent. So I got 3 packs of these. I do fully intend on doing my first run of like saleable candles with the supplies that I bought here today. Okay, here's another set. And here's the 3rd set. We should still, oh, here we go. Okay, now this was the other thing that I got. It was like a wicking kit. Okay, so it came with 1, 2, 3, 4 of these guys. Where's, here we go. 4 of these guys and 2 of these guys. So this one is the one you're gonna drop, just in case you're not familiar. This one is the one that you're gonna drop in the bottom that will show you where the center of your wick should be. Again, I'm trying desperately to hide my nails, if you can't tell. And then once you have that wick placed and like adhered to the bottom, you're gonna make sure you take this out, obviously, but you want to take it out before you use this piece. This piece sits on the top like this, and then you pull the wick stem through here, and it just, again, helps it stay centered. And you know what I really like? I have some, I guess they're like metal. I have some already, but they go full way across, and I always find it a little bit awkward to try and like pour the wax around it. So I really like how this one doesn't go all the way through. You have like this whole side open, so you can, you know, make adjustments or pour that way. Okay, I think that was everything. Now I'm just sticking in the peanut. Okay, so overall, I am a fan. I'm a big fan. I really liked the like aesthetic of their the 1617 website, and I found their offerings to be what I was looking for. I was looking for something a little bit more unique, and I think that I was able to find that in the candle vessels and, you know, the wicking items and the lids especially. I really like these lids. So yes, that is my journey today with 1617, my first impressions and unboxing from my first order with the company. If you are still here, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again next Sunday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you are interested in following along with my fragrance oil series, I have that over on TikTok. Basically, each time I order fragrances or fragrance oils from different suppliers, I review them one at a time, just, you know, in little bite-sized pieces, as you do normally on TikTok, and tell you if I like them, would I reorder them, what I make with them, what do they remind me of. So I have that series going on, and you can also see, you know, how I'm working with the items that I got today and the testing and, you know, just those behind the scenes kinds of things that a handmade business would post. So I hope to have you subscribed here to the channel and find me over on TikTok. I'll see you next week.